The All Progressive Congress for Rivers State don't tell Governor Fubara to resign sake of the allegations wey say he no get the ability to rule and say he dey misuse and squander the state money. Caretaker Chemo of the All Progressive Congress for Rivers State, Tony Okocha, yarn this one for one to talk section with Tori people for Port Harcourt. He come allege say the governor since he enter office not do any better project, but say he dey sponsor people for activities wey no make sense. Tony Okocha constitute say the governor don't refuse to work with some members of the House of Assembly wey be members of the APC, and also say the governor no get control of the commissioners for the state. The APC come also call on the governor to do council elections.
The governor should resign for incompetence. It's not what the service of Rivers State at this time. There's nothing else that is unique about this government. Other than that, what is unique about this government is the jamboree, the squandering. What has happened to our monies between May 29th to February 2024? What has happened to our funds? What projects have you been invited to come and join the Governor Commission? We need to know. So the project that the Governor of Rivers State has as we speak is the project of sponsoring jamborees in local governments in the name of Thanksgiving. And you want us as a party to sit down and watch that. How? The Governor is not in sync with the legislative arm, the House of Assembly. Made up because they are members of APC. He's refusing to work with them. 27/30. But mistakenly, we have told them that we are ready for election anytime, any day. We're here to demand that the governor follows the law.
Make no forget, say, as we see him, now so we dey talk him. We know they take blame. From Rivers State, Ekata Ojesele, TMC TV News.